Technic Training Center is a nonprofit organization here in Lynden, Washington. It's all about helping local high school students get great hands-on training in woodworking, manufacturing skills, and hopefully business skills. Also to help our local industry have a great pool of people to hire and attract into their workforce. There's a real need that businesses experience to help find that next generation of people who will come and join the workforce. But we're thankful to work with students from both public schools, private schools, and homeschool community here in Northwest Washington. And so, yeah, it's really a great opportunity, and our students really enjoy getting to be here. Since Grizzly tools are really throughout all kinds of different companies and businesses, they are really well seen throughout. And so we want to help our students build expertise in these tools. And so we've designed certification elements specifically around some of the Grizzly tools for the training that we do with our students. Well, yeah, we have quite a range of Grizzly tools here in the shop. We use a jointer and planer a lot. Obviously, they go hand in hand to get a nice face or 90-degree edge. We really love the performance of those helical blades and the really quality cut. We also have quite a range of Grizzly sanders. We use the horizontal belt sander, the oscillating edge sander, quite a bit. That edge sander has been really key for us and pretty much everything we build as well. And then sometimes there's specialty tools like the spindle sanders. We use those a lot as well. They provide a really key job when it's time to get those inside curves and radiuses. We have a couple different Grizzly bandsaws, kind of a newer one and an older one that was donated to the training center. And so we use the kind of smaller, older unit for kind of small, precise cuts. And we mainly use our larger Grizzly saw for resawing solid stock. And it's been really reliable there. Yeah, our Grizzly tools hold up really well. We have around 120 students each school semester, or close to 250 each year that are using these tools. And so they get a lot of use. Basically everybody's project are getting run through these tools and equipment. And so yeah, they work and perform very well. While the students are here, we have some standard projects that everybody works towards. So right now everybody builds a small work stool as their very first project. They'll use around 15 different tools or machines, a lot of the Grizzly tools that we have in our shop. Then our students move on to building a face frame cabinet. It's like a nightstand or an end table, and they'll use around 40 different tools and machines or processes in the production of those cabinets. A lot of different kinds of joinery. So we love using our Grizzly jointer and planer to help get our stock the sizes that it needs to be. We also have our students build what we call a frameless cabinet or a Euro style cabinet. We also try and get them involved in community projects. So everything from building lockers for the local football team to display stands for the local art center to cabinetry for recovery home, all kinds of different things that our students get involved in. And for us, we like that kind of work because they're able to take the skills they've built during the core projects and then apply it for a real customer. We've seen our young people who've come through Technic Training Center get hired at close to 50 different companies as a result of their training in all kinds of different industries. We definitely plan to continue growing, not just in the number of students we serve, but also in the quality of training that we provide to the students. And so having the real-world tools that businesses are using here at the training center is really important for us. And I think Grizzly has positioned itself well to keep building its portfolio of offerings to the individual hobbyist woodworker to larger industry and kind of growing in its offerings. And as businesses keep implementing new technologies, we want to do the same. We're passionate about investing in the lives of young people to say, hey, how can working here be of benefit to your life? And for us as adults, we want to be kind of mentors and encouragers for the young people who come through the program. For us, it's exciting to get to work on real things together